So you want to make your laptop a little faster by upgrading to an SSD. Well, keep watching this video and let's do it together. This method can be done with Windows, but I'll be showing this on my MacBook Pro. Buy this kind of laptop caddy for your laptop and transfer your OS onto your SSD so that you don't have to install macOS again. I have made a separate video on cloning. You can click on the tab which just popped up on your right top corner of the screen to watch it. Now we have to unscrew the back cover. Different laptops open up in different ways, but basically I'll be replacing my DVD drive with the hard drive. You have to figure out how to open it if you are using different laptop. First and foremost, unplug your battery. Remember this before doing anything else unless it can ruin your laptop. Now I want to put this hard drive into the DVD drive location, unscrewing it like this. Now there are 6 screws which have to be removed from the DVD drive. Unplugging the connectors and unscrewing them like this. Carefully unplug the hard drive and the DVD drive. Now salvage this connector and this thing from the DVD drive before throwing it away. Now I will put this SSD in the place of hard drive and will put that hard drive in caddy. Now let's prepare the SSD. Unscrew these mounting screws from the hard drive. Put these into the SSD like this. We are doing this so that it could stay in place. Now insert the connectors into the caddy which we have salvaged from the DVD drive. After that, insert your hard drive into it and screw them in place. Some caddies have side screws and some have bottom screws like this. Now insert the hard disk in caddy carefully and the caddy in the place of DVD drive. Be very careful as the ribbon cables are very prone to damage very easily. After screwing everything in place, hopefully it will work. Double check the connections and screws and connect the battery. Screwing the lid back on. And voila, it's working. Now with the hard drive, the write speed was around 60 to 65, but check this out. Now it's around 250. Now you have both the drives working and I have set SSD as the boot drive. So that's how you can upgrade your storage and speed of your laptop. That's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked it, then hit that like button and subscribe for more such videos.